After Estonia regained its independence in 1991, the Estonian Reading Association was founded on May 9, 1992. We are members of the International Literacy Association and the Federation of European Literacy Associations. The Estonian Reading Association is open to everyone interested in supporting the formation and development of literacy, joy of reading and writing in all ages, with different backgrounds, opportunities and special needs, all the while considering the changing needs of the society. International conferences have provided an opportunity for professional idea generation and exchange of specialists from around the world. 13th European Conference on Literacy. 4th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.